This is the Goto Guard Rainbow Silk Filament for your 3D printer. Now, Goto Guard did send this spool over for the creation of this video, so let's get right into it. All right, now let's take a quick rundown of the properties of this filament from Goto Guard. Now, it has an optimal layer height of 0.08 to 0.2 millimeters, a recommended printing temperature of 195 to 220 degrees Celsius, a heated bed temperature recommendation of 0 to 60 degrees Celsius, and printing speeds from 30 to 180 millimeters per second. Now, as I mentioned previously, this is the Silk Rainbow PLA filament here, and it is a 5-color PLA. Now, I've obviously used this to do some test prints, but this is a standard 1 kilogram reel, and you will have additional filament on it if you were to purchase it. Obviously, I have used it, so it is down a little bit. Now, as you can see here, we've got multiple layers of colors on this spool, and it takes about 145 grams to cycle through all 5 colors on your prints. I really like the uniform color transfer that I see here on the reel as well as on the prints themselves. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at some example prints. Now, it wouldn't be a 3D printing video without a benchy, and here is an example of a benchy print with this Goto Guard Silk Rainbow PLA. Now, it obviously doesn't use much filament, so you're not going to really have any color shift here with benchy, but I did want to show off an example of a benchy print with this filament. Now, I think this is a much better example of the color shift that you can get out of this Rainbow PLA from Goto Guard. You can see we have some really nice color shifts here. And like I mentioned earlier, it's 145 grams to go through all 5 of the colors on this spool. So I've got 3 colors here in this print, and it's just a really nice, smooth transition between each of these colors. Now, here's another example of a print with this same Rainbow PLA from Goto Guard. Now, you can see here it's only got 2 colors in the print, and that's just based on where the filament was when I started this print. But really nice, smooth silk texture here. Really happy with the results of this PLA filament. I've been really happy with the colors and the color shift that this filament gave to me. It was really nice and smooth, and a lot of different colors in a single roll. Now, if you're looking for some multicolored filament for your 3D printer, definitely recommend checking out this stuff from Goto Guard. Now, as always, I've got a link in the description below if you want to pick up a spool of this for yourself.